much a man can tell me, so much he can say. You remain my power, my pleasure, my pain. To me, you're like a roller dictionary in the night. Now won't you tell me is a healthy baby? But did you know that when it snows, my eyes become a lot and the light that you shine can't be seen. Baby, I can feel you to a kiss from a rose on the grave. Ooh, the more I get of you, the stranger it feels, yeah. Now that your rose is in bloom, a light hits the bloom on the grave. Yes, I can feel you to a kiss from a rose on.
I'm so over this shit. Like, fuck out of here, bitch. Like, my fucking goddamn glasses make me look like an old ass bitch. Stupid. I'm trying to, like, adjust. But I'm not fully adjusted. Babe.
Roses in bloom, a light hits the gloom on the grave.
Okay? Fuck. Like, I'm trying to fucking go away. Like why can't I pause it? Like, go away. Like, I'm trying to fucking get in my fucking bag. But, like, it's stupid because now I have astigmatism and I looked and wait, hold on. See, you're fucking blurry. I'm scared. It's scary. Like, you're so fucking blurry to me. Like, things are in double. I don't like it. Everything is in double, but I'm like, I just dealt with it, and it's been my whole life. But then when I go like this, come to Turkey, Doja. Like, I can read from here. Watch me. Ow, shit. Fuck, that hurt. Ow, fuck. Ow. I like the... Wait, hold on. You are hot. Astigmatism. Wait, I'm standing back a little bit. I have it too. Okay, hold on. I'm standing back a little bit. Come to Brazil. Listen, I've been dealing with this shit. I didn't even know that I had astigmatism this long. But I do. I do. And it's like, what, like, the fuck? And I take it off and I'm just like, I take it off and I feel like a bad bitch. But then I put it on and I'm like a social justice warrior. I don't like it. I don't like the vibe of like, hello, hi, welcome. To like, I look like a fucking SJW. It's bullshit to me, bitch. It's bullshit to me. Day. A kiss from a rose on a plane. I just feel like I really look like I look like an asshole. I look like a judgy ass bitch. I look fucking mean. And you know how there's a vibe of, there's a medium of like, oh shit, oh Jesus, I can't see shit. There's like a medium of like, oh, you like look like a bitch, but it's cute. Like, it's like kind of a vibe. Like, oh, you look so bitchy, but like bitchy in a good way. Me, I feel like I look bitchy in a bad. Oh shit. I look bitchy and I bad. Like, look at me now. Like, oh, please look at me now, bitch. Look at this. Ready? I walk by. You're hanging out on the sidewalk of a cafe. I walk by. Hi. Wait, hold on. That was super artificial. Let me do it one more time. Sorry, one more time. Sorry, I'm sorry. Hold on one second. Okay, I got this. Ready? Look, I walk by. You're at a cafe. Hold on, bitch. Look, we're hanging out. Listen, I walk by. You're like, oh. Alright, I come to you. Listen, I'm walking towards you. Look, it doesn't matter. Hold on. Because that's not the point. The point is not that, like, you're at a cafe or anything. The point is that, like, okay, this is me now. It's giving, right? Like, I'm giving you like a little chicka chow. And then I disappear and I come back and I look like this. It just feels like a little bit. I feel like a bitch. Remember, did you guys watch The Hangover? Remember that bitch from The Hangover? And she was the wife and she cheated on the guy, on Phil or something, I think it was, or something, or whatever. And she cheated on that guy. Like, I look like the bitch that cheated on the dude with the bartender. Like, I look like a fucking asshole. And I also look like, what is it? Hot Tub Time Machine, where she's like, I feel violated. What is it? Damn. She's like, damn. I don't remember, but I don't know. I'm just over this shit. And I just, like, okay, like, it's cute, it's kinky. Like, at this rate, bitch, at this fucking rate, I put the glasses on, I'm having sex. I take them off, I'm blind, I'm having sex. You see what I'm saying? It's two different sexes. And hold on, wait, look, see, like, hold on. Hello? Hi. And then, wait, watch this. Watch, ready? Hello. Hi. Like, bitchy. And I own a fucking library. And that's period. What the fuck that means is I own a library. I'm not wearing contacts right now because it's not what the fuck I'm doing. I own a fucking library. That's what I look like. I look so smart. I graduated college. I graduated college. The fuck. And that's what I look like. I look like a Mindy. Hello. Oh my God. Hello, my name is Mindy. And, well, no, my hair would need to be brown. Like, Mindy isn't giving blonde. Like, hold on one second. Hi, my name is Yannicka. Hold on one second. Hello, my name is Jessica. Hold on one second. I am Janice. And I have a big passion about politics, and I'm very passionate about vocabulary. So if you want to hang out with a bitch that's smart, that knows things about vocab, English, politics, world views, I'm that bitch. I'll tell you something. I know a thing or two. And that's what, it's like annoying. Like I feel like I'm blind. It feels like I'm in a costume. It's so difficult to. I look like a waitress that doesn't want to do her job. I look like a bad waitress. I look like a shit service worker. I look like I couldn't do it. I just couldn't. I look like I couldn't do it. I couldn't live up to that standard. I couldn't get to the point where I was doing a good enough job where people were happy. I look like I would come up to the table like this. Hello, how are you today? You have a nice day. That's good. You want the sandwich? Okay, you want the sandwich with mustard? No mustard? Okay, cool, mustard. That's what I look like. I look like I put the wrong condiments on people's sandwiches. And it's hard. Oh shit, Jesus fucking. And it's hard. I'm scared. Hold on one second. I need a moment. Let me move that bitch back. Okay, not bad. Not bad. That's what I'm used to. That's my whole life. I've worked up to this point. Yeah. Yep. So then this is what I've been. I've been fucking blurry my whole life. I'm scared. I don't like this shit. I'm looking at you and it's so blur. It's so blurry. Wait, hold on. You know what? To be fair, I have great vision. I'm looking at the keyboard keys on my keyboard, and they are, to be fair, not crisp. Not crisp, but they have a bit of. I know what it says, and I don't just know what it says. I'm relishing in the fact that R has a nice curve in it, and it's long on the tail of the R, and then the T goes down, and the T got the, like, I see all of the shapes, but then I put this shit on, and oh, see, fuck you, bitch. It's still blurry. No, fuck you. No, fuck this shit. See, this is bullshit. Because I'm looking at the fucking keyboard and it's more clear. Oh. It's more clear, but still at the same time, bitch. It's kind of still blurry a little bit. But you know what? No, listen. No one's vision is perfect. Your vision shouldn't be perfect. It shouldn't be. And if anyone's vision is perfect, fuck you, bitch. And also, good luck with that, and it's gonna get worse. It's gonna be like mine right now in like 30 years. So, you relish in those 30 years, and that's how it is for me. I'm a fucking glasses bitch right now. I'm a glasses wearing ass bitch. I'm going to wear glasses. It's a fashion moment. I'm going to wear it with a gown, and this is going to be my little celebrity moment. I'm going to have my little celebrity glasses, and I'm going to be the celebrity bitch with the glasses on. And I'm going to be like this. That's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna do that. Anyway, whatever. That's the fucking end of that. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. I just wanted to show you my glasses. And, oh my God, that's terrifying. Have a nice night. Merry Christmas. Bitch, it's almost Christmas. Merry Christmas, and have a wonderful weekend. And I love you. Merry Christmas.